Drones are revolutionizing industries across India, transforming the way we farm, respond to disasters, build infrastructure, and safeguard national security. In agriculture, drones monitor crop health, increase efficiency in farming, and empower rural entrepreneurs. In disaster management, they provide critical real-time data aid in search and rescue and ensure swift delivery of essential supplies. Across infrastructure mining and transportation, drones enhance safety monitoring and planning, making operations smarter and more efficient. Recognizing the potential of drone technology, the Government of India, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, is working towards making India a global drone hub by 2030 and has notified several policy reforms to boost the domestic drone ecosystem.
तो मेरा भी यही सपना है कि भारत में हर हाथ में स्मार्टफोन हो, हर खेत में ड्रोन हो और हर घर में समृद्धि हो।
To drive research and skill development, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has launched SWIAN, a national program to build expertise in unmanned aircraft systems. This initiative will train over 40,000 professionals by 2027, covering aeromechanics, AI-driven drone navigation, drone electronics, and cutting-edge UAS technologies. Now under SWIAN, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, in partnership with Drone Federation India, is launching NIDA, India's largest drone innovation challenge, a platform where students and researchers come together to develop real-world drone solutions. This year, NIDA challenges participants to create drones for two critical sectors: disaster management, build, scout, and deliver drones for surveying disaster zones, identifying survivors, and delivering emergency aid; precision agriculture, develop, scan, and spray drones for monitoring crop health, detecting diseases, and executing targeted treatments, ensuring sustainable farming practices. Participants will gain hands-on experience, industry mentorship, startup incubation opportunities, and exposure to India's best drone companies. With a total prize pool of 40 lakh rupees, including cash awards, startup incubation programs, software and cloud credits, and paid internships, NIDA offers an unparalleled opportunity to kickstart careers in the drone ecosystem. Special prizes will be awarded in gold, silver, bronze, technology, and business categories, with certificates of participation for all. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an innovator, or a future entrepreneur, this challenge is for you. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has set the vision for India to become a global drone hub by 2030. Through policy reforms, indigenous innovation, and cutting-edge research, we are leading the next wave of drone technology on a global scale. Are you ready to be part of this revolution? Join the movement, compete, and let your ideas take flight.